Why is my AC making strange noises? There could be several reasons why your air conditioning AC unit is making strange noises. Here are some common causes. Loose or damaged parts. Over time, parts of the AC unit can become loose or damaged, leading to rattling, banging, or clanking noises. This could include loose fan blades, screws, or motor mounts. Lack of lubrication. Components within the AC unit require lubrication to function smoothly. If they become dry, friction can occur, leading to squealing or grinding noises. Dirty or clogged components. Accumulated dirt, debris, or dust in the AC unit can obstruct airflow and cause parts to work harder than usual, resulting in strange noises like whistling or humming. Worn-out components. As the AC unit ages, various components such as bearings, belts, or motors may wear out, leading to unusual sounds like squeaking or screeching. Refrigerant issues. Low refrigerant levels or leaks in the system can cause the compressor to make unusual noises, such as hissing or bubbling. Electrical problems. Faulty electrical connections or components within the AC unit can produce buzzing or humming noises. If your AC unit is making strange noises, it's essential to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage and ensure optimal performance. It's recommended to turn off the AC unit and contact a professional HVAC technician to inspect and diagnose the problem accurately. They can identify the root cause of the noises and perform any necessary repairs or maintenance to restore your AC unit's proper functioning.